This is a short tutorial on Mapskills land use patterns. Land use on a map is usually shown by symbols and a key or legend. This is very important that during the exam you look at the key and look for the information that they're asking you for. When describing distribution of land use, look in the areas in which the land use is being located. Look at your map carefully. Is the location well drained or poorly drained? Think about if the area has steep valleys or floodplains or mountains or even a plateau. What are the areas in terms of the contours on the map? So you will look at your map and see if the contour lines are close together, which means the area is hilly or mountainous, or whether the contour lines are far apart, which means that the area is flat. Also look to see how much of the land is dedicated to land use. There are certain steps that you can take to recommend reasons for the different forms of land use that you see on a map. You can separate it into the areas into highland and lowland areas. Also, observe the land use in the areas on the map. Apply the knowledge to each area separately so that you can maximize how you use your time. Let's look at the highland areas and the land use on a map. Look and see what is the height of the area and what is the highest point in that area. Also look to see if the area is poorly drained or well drained, as this would influence the land use in that area. Check and see if the area is steep or gentle, which will also influence the ways that the land use occurs on the map. Are there any businesses in the area? Are there any symbols or names which can enhance your answer? For example, if you see plantations or hospitals written on your map. In the lowland areas and land use on a map, you should also look for similar points. What is the height of the area? Is the area gently sloping to enable good drainage or easily flooded? Does relief or name site suggest any information about the soil type that may be found in that area? You can also check to see if man has manipulated land to improve drainage, for example, the presence of canals on the map. Are there any symbols or names which will confirm your answers on land use in that specific area when asked about it on the map? These are some points to consider when you're looking at your map in the exam. Observe the relief of the area. Look at the types of crops grown in the area. Are these crops that are generally grown in flat areas or crops that can be grown in mountainous or hilly areas? Also check to see the type of businesses in the area. Are these businesses connected to the type of land use? Also look at the settlement in the areas. Is it linear? Is it dispersed? Is it nucleated? Also look at the location of the land use. Is the land use mainly along a coastline? Is the land use on the interior? Are there more settlement in areas closer to water as opposed to areas that are not? These are some points you can consider when you're doing map work in the exam.